Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. In today's video, I have a great Christmas snack idea for you. Recently, my husband and I put together goodie bags and tins to take to his work. The number one favorite thing was these candied pecans that are so easy to make. Everybody has requested more of them, so I thought I would show you how easy they are to make. I got this recipe from Falon at Family TV. I'll make sure to link her video where she shows how to make the candied pecans in the description box below. Let's get started on how easy these pecans really are. Hi guys, tonight my husband's helping me as well. We are gonna make 2 batches at the same time. So my husband's gonna make a batch, I'm gonna make a batch, and then we're gonna put them on one cookie sheet. My oven is preheated at 250 degrees, and we're going to start with 1 egg white. Last time I totally blew it and my yolk went in. So if I'm overly cautious, you guys know why. You got yours, babe? Mm-hmm. Excellent. Then we are going to take 1 tablespoon of water. And we're going to mix this mixture until it's frothy. How's yours looking, babe?
Frothy.
Okay, good. The first time I made this, I thought there was no way that this was really gonna work. Next, we're going to add our half pecans. Halved pecans. And then we're gonna stir this and get the frothy mixture all over the pecans. Next, in separate bowls, we have white sugar, cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. As a reminder, I'll have Falon's recipe listed below. We're gonna whisk those together. We're gonna dump this on top of your pecans. We're gonna mix. Okay, we're gonna move this sheet pan down here. And then we're gonna dump out our pecans and spread them into a thin, single layer. These are going to go into our preheated oven at 250 degrees, and they're going to cook for 1 hour. You have to stir every 15 minutes. So we'll be back when 15 minutes is up. All right, our first 15-minute cooking time is up. So we're gonna give these a gentle stir and get them flattened back out. I was all out of my roll of parchment paper, so I'm using these pre-cut sheets, so they're kind of sliding around a little bit. So we're gonna put it back in for 3 more 15-minute intervals. And whenever we're done with the last interval, then I'll show you what it looks like. These nuts have now been in the oven for an hour. We have turned them 3 different times in 15-minute intervals. You'll notice that the sugar is hard and getting stuck to the parchment paper. We're going to let these completely cool. I'm gonna bring these pecans really close to the camera so you can get an idea of what, hopefully they're not blurry, what the finished product look like. They are completely cooled. All right, we have all of our candied pecans packed up and ready for delivery. We made 2 small tins, 1 large tin, and 3 small bags to give away. This is a total of 4 batches. Can't wait to see if everyone likes them as well as they did the last batch. I told ya, piece of cake. I cannot tell you how much that our friends and family and co-workers have enjoyed these pecans. Several people that don't even like pecans spoke about how much that they really like these. So if you give them a try, let me know down in the description box below if they went over with your friends and family as well as they did with ours. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next video.